Hey tubers, it's Wednesday, December 20th. That's the time. And it's about 60 degrees out, I think. Yeah, we're in between storms. One just rolled through yesterday and another one's coming in off the coast now. So in between storms, we're gonna take care of this. Hang on. That's what the 2x4 is in here for. Bear with me for a minute. There. So yeah, I want to vacuum this out. We're gonna pull all the other wood out. Sit there and see if we can scrape anything else off the headliner. Squirt that down with the rust inhibitor. I want to pull it out and clean it off and at least get some primer on it before the next storm comes in. So that's what the shop vac's out, and then we'll talk a little bit about this later. All right, the panel's out. I'm going to hit this again with the rust inhibitor, but it's not that bad. It's still solid. The reason why I threw that in there without taking care of it or putting it in is we just got in the car, I think, and I had known all along that the driver's side door or driver's side floor was rotted out. So what I wanted to do is put my handy 2x4 back here. Hang on. Oh, wait, come on, get in there. There you go. So what I wanted to do, so I left that open, and my granddaughter came and visit one time, wanted to look inside the car, and there was a cat sitting there sleeping. And so the cat was getting in through the hole there. So I just wanted to eliminate them. So we'll use the wood. The wood won't rust, and I don't care what happens to this piece. This is what's left over from when I made the drawers. It's 5/8. So I'd like to keep that pedal. I like to keep all the pedals, but I don't know. If you look at this mess down in here, and no, I did not do the wire nut there, the gray one as you see it. That's not me. But as you look, all there, that's all rusted out. Transmission looks like Richard had it out because he did the transmission. So what I'd like to do is get that panel out and then the transmission panel out and see what I got to work on over there. So, but that's another project. The other thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about while we're standing here talking about it is pedal configuration. I'd like to keep the, back it up. I'd like to keep the old style, you know, but man, I'm thinking disc in the front, drum in the rear. I mean, I'm not building this car for quarter-mile speed. I'm just building it to have fun on the street. Come on. There. There. But yeah. So, would you keep the same pedals or would you keep the same configuration? You can upgrade it and sit there with pedal kits, and I've got a couple of pictures of those I'll show you. Or would you can floor mount some pedals, or you can hang some pedals down. I don't know, that's the choice. So he's putting it out to you guys. I want you guys to help me build this thing. So what would you do? So, but the big project next for Pat and I would be to take the gas tank out of this thing, because I want the gas tank out of this thing before it comes in the garage. I want to finish cleaning in here and scraping down this headliner and getting all that crap off of there. And then we'll see if we got this. Hell, we could probably put some aluminum. Nah, we could put something up there and do a headliner. I'm going to do most of the interior. The seats are going to be done by the same people who I plan on taking the Camaro interior to. And yeah, but the door panels pretty much is just going to be black vinyl or black Naugahyde or whatever, and then the armrests. And sit there and do those. Plastic? It feels like it. Interesting. Alright, so that's it. So, yeah, that's it, dummy. That ought wonders for the door. All right, now I'm going to be able to open this one-handed, but I won't be able to close it one-handed. Come on. There. There's plenty of room there on the firewall if we do hang some pedals down. And again, sit there, and depending upon what you're going to do for your Z-bars, well, you're going to have to do hydraulic clutch. So there's a whole bunch of others things to think about. And I never did a hydraulic clutch. I'm setting you guys down for a minute. So that's the other thing. You know, what am I comfortable with and everything else. So that's it on the 39 for today. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm going to keep this in here. I'll clean it up. Like I said, where is it? Ooh, the heater turned on. Or the wife turned it on. Yeah, just sit there and squirt it. So that's all I got for now. I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and of course leaving comments. Hope everybody has a good Christmas. Granddaughters are coming. They leave Grapevine Friday. Should expect them Friday night. And yeah, so that's all I got for now. Again, thanks for watching, guys. And if comments, what would you do about the pedals? Remember, I'm thinking disc in the front, drum in the rear, maybe 4-way disc. I don't know, but what would you do? Later.